Here are the 3 investing mistakes I made that cost me a lot of money, and trust me, you don't want to miss the last one. My first mistake was FOMO investing. FOMO investing is the fear of missing out on an investment opportunity that everyone is talking about, and it seemed like everyone was making a lot of money. But please don't buy into the hype like I did, because I ended up buying stocks at a very, very inflated price. Mistake number 2, ignoring fees. I was so focused on the potential returns that I didn't pay attention to the fees. So majority of the time, platforms have these hidden fees or hidden costs like management fees and transaction fees, which they can really eat into your profits over time. So always check the fine print and understand all the costs involved before investing. And lastly, mistake number 3, which is not diversifying. Many people think that buying one ETF or an index fund makes their portfolio diversified, but that's not the case. So I learned it the hard way that true diversification means spreading your investments across different industries. So instead of only buying tech-related ETFs, consider having a mix of tech, mining, agriculture, and healthcare. So this way, you're not overexposed to a single sector, and your portfolio can better withstand market fluctuations. So hopefully sharing these mistakes with you will help us become smarter investors. And if you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more tips, and see you next time.